Hello, everyone. Welcome to the demo webinar that will help you to better understand how to use your Travelpayouts account. My name is Nick, and I'm responsible for business development and affiliate partnerships at Travelpayouts. Speaking of today's agenda, I'll tell you about Travelpayouts in general, how everything is arranged in your account, and I will also answer your questions in the end. And please stay tuned until the very end, as I've prepared a super promo for you, along with some good to know information on how to get started with travel payouts. What is travel payouts? Travel payouts is super cool because you can earn money with us if you travel sometimes. But if you know other people who travel, you can earn even more money with travel payouts. For example, if you run a blog. So at the moment, we have more than 60 travel programs. You can see them like some of them on the side. Some of our big brands are Booking.com, Kayak, Get Your Guide, Musement, many others. And all of these advertisers are ready to pay commissions for each and every booking made on your or your referrals websites and blogs. Speaking of numbers, we have been on the market for more than 8 years. More than 240,000 affiliates have already joined Travel Payouts, to whom we have already paid out more than $23 million. Our minimum payout is just $50. So being an average traveler, you can earn this commission in just one trip. Suppose you have friends who travel, and you can now earn even more money when you give them your partner link while they're looking for a hotel or a flight or any other travel service. But what if you run a blog? And this time it's a different amount of money. Yeah, think about it. Also, whenever you have a question, whenever you are in doubt, just address your question to our support team, and we will help you 100% guaranteed. Travel Payouts allows you to work with multiple programs, with multiple travel programs simultaneously. You don't need to register on separate websites of each and every program. You can manage all of them under your Travel Payouts account. So, by the way, you can check statistics of the exact program or full joint programs under your account too. Now that I've told you what Travel Payouts is, let's see how you travel bloggers and webmasters can benefit with Travel Payouts. Let me step in your shoes. Okay, suppose I have a blog, and by the way, here it is. Here is my blog. It contains 4 posts, and let's look at it. Pretty blank, has nothing to click on. So here's the question: how can I use my content to earn money with Travel Payouts? Let's think together. So let's go to this article. This one is about visiting Turkey. So let's think logically. What kind of people read these articles? What, in your opinion, motivates people to read these articles? Holiday makers. Yeah, exactly. So I would say that people who read about visiting Turkey articles, they plan to go there. We need to use this knowledge to our advantage. So I think that we should offer these people flight tickets and hotels, let's say in Istanbul. Do you agree with me on that? Let me show you the whole process of how to get from the registration page to the programs. And we'll now go to Travel Payouts homepage. And let's look for travel programs together. Here is the Travel Payouts homepage, and the registration takes less than 1 minute. So when you click on sign up for free, you just need to fill out 2 fields, email and password, and that's all. So I'm not going to do that now because I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Now that I've logged in into my account, I'll be redirected to the main page of the Wenny Travel Payouts account. So on the left side of the screen, you can see the panel with the navigation buttons. Main, this is where you are now. Programs is a page with all our travel programs. Reports, reports is for statistics. Finance is where you can check your balance and payouts history and fill out your payment details. There is one more icon called for developers. This is where you can get access to our API data. So at the top of the page, you can see your current earnings and pending payments. Blog, this is where we post recent advertisers, affiliates, and travel payouts news. And help is our knowledge base that has got an answer to pretty much every question. So right at the center, you can see the programs you have already joined and the statistics of each of them. So here's a question. Where can I find all child payouts programs? So as I mentioned earlier, when you click on programs icon, you'll go to the page that contains all of our programs. There are more than 60 of them. Here is a question that might arise in your head. How to choose a program? So at the top of the page, you can see our filters. You can use these filters to narrow down your search results. So we can choose a program by category, by language, by types of traffic, by tools, and then we can click apply. So do you remember, guys, we talked about the programs for my post about Turkey. And we decided to go for flights and accommodation. So let's look for these programs together and add the promo tools to my blog. First of all, I need to find the flights program. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on a category filter, tick off flights, and then click apply. To choose the best fit for you, I would advise you to take a look at the details of each program, and especially their commission rates, allowable types of traffic, and cookie lifetime. So please note that some of our programs require pre-approval to check that you provide them with the right traffic. They are marked with a sign that says pre-approval required, and they will take some time to approve them. Also, there's one more thing I want to tell you. Speaking of the cookie lifetime, I'll just show you where it is. I'm sure that you've seen many pop-up windows on different websites that say we use cookies. So the cookie lifetime is the validity period during which a cookie received by the user's browser and associating with a specific publisher is stored in the user's computer. In other words, when it says that cookie lifetime is 30 days, it means that whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and buys something within the next 30 days, the commission will be paid out to you. Once you register on Travelpayouts, you will automatically join JetTrader and Autolook programs. Now, what a coincidence that JetTrader provides us with flights. So let's use it for our needs. Let's go to JetTrader. We'll click on Tools tab, and as we can see, we have links, search forms, widgets, white labels, API, etc., etc. So let me start with our basic tool called a link. It works everywhere. You can use it on your blog or in social media, etc. You can even send it while messaging with your friends. So here we are, and what we need to do is we need to copy that link, and please make sure you copy the whole link because it contains your ID, this one here, and every time someone clicks on it and buys something, we will know it is you and display it in your statistical reports. So now, since my blog is on WordPress, I will go to WordPress admin and create a button at the end of the post or somewhere else. So here it is. I've already logged in for time saving purposes. So I'm just gonna go there, get it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create a button. I'm gonna click on open new tab, and then this is the place. Buy the cheapest flights to So okay, here is one link. Okay, open new tab, update. So now let's refresh the page and see how the post has changed. Yeah, looks great and logical. You might have a different platform to your website for your website or blog. So basically, what you need to do is just to copy that link and insert it to your content where appropriate, and that will do. And by the way, speaking of JetRadar, this program, when you go to JetRadar, it compares and shows flights all over the world for the specific destination to help people book the cheapest tickets. So now let's install our coolest tool called the widget, which, based on our internal analysis, works better than any other instrument. And what widget is simply said an interactive form that allows you to perform a function or access a service. So let me make it clearer and show you how it works. We'll go back to programs, go to accommodation, click apply. Here it is. We go click on widgets. Yeah, here they are. I'm gonna customize it for my needs. I will put down Istanbul here. Yeah, Istanbul. Okay. Yeah, currency, I'll leave it as it is. Copy the code. So what I need to do with this is I need to copy the code and post it in my blog. So let's go back to the WordPress admin and let's put it somewhere here. I will go for code. Yeah. I'll paste it here. Update. And let's refresh our page to see how it looks like. Here it is. Yeah. Awesome. Now we have this beautiful link right there and widget ready to make money for you. So let's just check out how it works. So let's go from St. Petersburg to Istanbul. I don't know how to no return flight, search flights. Yeah, as I mentioned before, this is what JetRadar does. It shows you all the flights, all the possible flights, and allows you to compare all of them, choose the best for you. So I'm gonna click on book, and then I'll be redirected to the booking page. Okay, let's just let's check out if the widget works. Well, yeah, click on auto look. Yeah, great. Seems like everything is good. So apart from links and widgets, we also have more complex tools like white label API, but we're not going to cover them today. There will be another webinar about them. So now that we have installed our tools, how can we make sure that they work, and how can we track our bookings and purchases? So each and every click and sale for each program will be recorded and displayed on the report page for the data period selected. So if you go to reports and click, yeah, auto look, so many of clicks today, like so many clicks today. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that the ones that we made just a couple of minutes ago have already been recorded in this report. So yeah, you can check your statistics in reports and check out how many people clicked on your widget or your link, see how many people bought something. Usually, it is it takes like half an hour to show all the results. So once you make a first sale, earnings would be added to your account. So I think at this stage, I need to tell you about the financial part. When you click on finance, you'll see all your sales along with your earnings. You can also see earnings at the top of the page. And also you can choose a convenient way to way to receive the money that you have earned. So let's go back to our slides. And do not wait any longer and start earning with trail payouts now. So on this slide, I have collected some worthy information. First of all, to motivate you, I've prepared a super promo for you. You have a chance to work with increased commission on our exclusive program. Autolook and JetTrader will increase the commission from 60 to 80% for 2 months. And just to make it clear, an increased commission would be 80% of JetTrader and Autolook revenues, not of the ticket or the hotel price. So that's great that you're an affiliate member. I'll tell you about it later on. So use this promo code when you register, or just register if you're not registered yet by the link. I've shared it with you in the chat box, and you'll receive all the privileges. If you're registered already, please send us an email to support@travelpayouts.com. Yeah, my colleague has just written in the chat box. So use this email if you're a member already, and you'll receive all these privileges. Secondly, I recommend you to download this free guide on how to monetize your traffic. So in this guide, we have collected all main monetizing strategies. I will send you the link right now. Here it is. Okay, and last but not least, I would advise you to join our official communities now. There are a lot of affiliates who communicate within the society and share their experience. So go and join right now so that you don't forget about it. I have links with you. And this is pretty much it from me. I really appreciate that you have all joined me today. Thanks a lot for coming. Have a good day. Bye-bye.